Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm working on a 4x6 autumn mini album spread titled Lovely Day. And I'm using the digital version of the collection Hello Autumn by Carta Bella and then some stamps and dies. So here I have prepared all the parts that go on this page, and I have this kind of triangulated pattern paper that goes on one of the pages. So it's a double page spread for an autumn mini album, and so I'm making sure that that is the one side is already glued down. Then here I have this little I created this little label. I actually used one of my stencils to just draw it and then cut it out by hand, because the dies that I have in this flag shaped, they're all too big for what I wanted to stamp on there. And so I just fussy cut it out and then stamped. And I tried to do the stamping first so that it can sit and dry for a little while before I start touching it and working with it on the page. So the left side of the spread is kept very simple. I have this little frame that I used one of my dies to cut out, and then this is also a die cut set. Actually, both of them they're from different die cut sets. The one is kind of like a garland of pumpkins, and then the other one is just from a pumpkin set that I have. And so I try not to go too crazy with embellishments, but having the collection obviously makes it easy, because I can just have a whole bunch of various elements that I can put here, and I don't need to create a lot of my own embellishments. But I still like to do a little bit of my own stuff as well, even though the collection comes with all the parts that you could wish for as far as embellishments. This is another die cut set of just words, and so I had the word lovely cut out, and then that'll be the title for this page. And once again, I keep it simple. I'm not adding any extra flowers or anything, although I love working with flowers, but I think that's already everything that needs to go on this page. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.